Hi, today I'm with me ZTE V40s and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant feature on this device. So first let's open the Google application and click on the right upper corner. After that, tap to the settings, click to voice and tap to voice match. Just to activate Hey Google option, we should click here once on the swatcher, tap to next, read the description and click to yes I agree, tap to continue. Not now. And now we should add our voice model. So click here to retain voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, reminds me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. So now let's tap to finish. Not now, and when we'll say okay Google or hey Google, we can say that our option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.